This review is of Bumblebee Snack on the Run Tuna Salad Kit with crackers. So there's a spoon. Actually, I've got it ready over here. But Snackalicious. Okay. Marketing stuff. Okay. Here are the nutrition facts and the ingredients. Yeah. So let's go ahead and just give this a shot. I haven't actually ever had this before, which is a little bit ironic because
You've never had tuna stuff?
this is, I've never had like this particular brand. So I'm just going to have it's nice. Like usual, it's got some vegetables in it and mayo. So there's celery, carrots, water chestnuts, onion, and let's see. There's got to be sugar in here. It does have soy, egg, and of course tuna. It's pretty nice. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.